Finding the right electric saw for cutting trees can be a challenge. With a variety of sizes, shapes, and blade types on the market, it can be difficult to determine which saw will be the best for the job. For those looking to make the most of their sawing projects, the best electric saw for cutting trees will be one that is sturdy, dependable, and offers a variety of features that make it well suited for the task at hand. In this video, we've put together a list of the top 6 electric saws that are sure to get the job done. Let's get started. Number 1. SENDRY Mini Chainsaw. The SENDRY Mini Chainsaw is an ultra-powerful and ultra-portable cordless saw that is perfect for cutting trees, logs, and other materials. It features a high-performance motor that delivers reliable cutting power, making it ideal for pruning and trimming trees, shrubs, and other plants. Enjoy your cutting work with low energy consumption, low noise, and high efficiency. Powered by 21V 7500 mAh high-capacity rechargeable lithium battery, performance is stable, can be recharged repetitively more than 300 times. A battery can be used for 60 to 90 minutes when fully charged, and you can use the 2 batteries alternately to provide continuous power for outdoor work. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to handle, while the safety trigger and anti-kickback system help ensure a safe and efficient cutting experience. Number 2. POTENCO Mini Chainsaw. This POTENCO Mini Chainsaw is a powerful 4-inch electric chainsaw, ideal for quickly and efficiently cutting through tree branches and wood. Featuring a powerful 4-inch electric chainsaw, this durable tool is designed for fast, efficient cutting of tough tree branches. The Mini Chainsaw Cordless is powered by a 21V 2.0 high-energy lithium battery and can work for 50 to 60 minutes. The powerful motor speed is up to 6 meters per second, and the output power of 550 W can cut logs with a diameter of 4-inch in 5s. The electric chainsaw has been installed, you only need to fully charge the battery before you use it. Number 3. Black Decker Electric Handsaw. The Black Plus Decker Electric Handsaw is the perfect tool for quickly and easily cutting through trees of all sizes. Featuring an adjustable power setting and an ergonomic design, this compact and lightweight saw is perfect for tackling tough jobs in the yard or garden. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for indoor and outdoor use, cutting through tree limbs, branches, plant shrubbery, wood composites, plastic, non-ferrous metals and more. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max XR Chainsaw. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Chainsaw is the perfect tool for tackling your toughest tree cutting tasks. Featuring an efficient brushless motor and a powerful 20V max battery, this chainsaw is capable of delivering up to 30% more runtime than its counterparts. With its lightweight design, ergonomic handle, and compact size, this chainsaw is perfect for cutting trees in tight spaces. Whether you're a homeowner or professional, the DEWALT 20V Max XR Chainsaw is the ideal choice for tackling your toughest tree cutting jobs. Number 5. VOKITA 6-inch Mini Cordless Chainsaw. The VOKITA 6-inch Mini Cordless Chainsaw is the perfect tool for tackling any outdoor job. This lightweight and powerful chainsaw features a cordless design, allowing for greater portability and ease of use. This 6-inch mini chainsaw helps you to cut wood branches with a diameter of 6 inches in 10 seconds. The pure copper motor and 2x24V high-power batteries make the electric cordless chainsaw cutting speed extremely fast. This battery-operated chainsaw can improve yard working efficiency extremely. With its lightweight design, you can take your chainsaw anywhere, making even tough cutting jobs a breeze. Number 6. VTEK Chainsaw Cordless Brushless Chainsaw. The VTEK Chainsaw Cordless Brushless Chainsaw is an essential tool for any tree cutting project. Its cordless design makes it easy to use, and the brushless motor delivers powerful performance. The ergonomic handle and lightweight saw make operation easy and comfortable. With 26.2 feet per second of chain speed and 12-inch guide bar, the electric chainsaw is designed for smooth and fast cuts for various needs. With its long-lasting battery, you can get the job done quickly and easily. Get the job done with the VTEK Chainsaw Cordless Brushless Chainsaw. There you have it, our top 6 picks for the best electric saws for cutting trees. Each of these saws has its own unique features and benefits, so we hope that you found this video helpful in making your decision. Remember, when choosing an electric saw, it's important to consider your needs and budget, as well as the features and capabilities of the saw itself. If you want to learn more about the price and other information about the product, please check out the description below the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.